Okay, hello and hi. Okay, we are from Group 1. We'll present our topic about most introduction. So, let's begin. Next. Okay, so this is our contents of what will what we will explain next. Okay, so this is our group members. Okay, I start first. My name is Muhammad Syakir Zufairi bin Muhammad Arshad and my matrix number is 200508.
Hi, my name is Lukman Hakim bin Huzairi and my matrix number is 202819.
Hi, my name is Nur Alia Adiba binti Hasanuddin. My matrix number is 202189.
Hi, my name is Nur Shahada binti Zaharin and my matrix number is 200976. Hello, my name is Niha Anak Perempuan Kasirajan and my matrix number is 202385.
Hi, my name is Siti Aisyah binti Yahya and my matrix number is 200770.
Okay, so we will go to the introduction of Moses. Okay. Okay, so first, Moses is the largest group of non-vascular plants. It have over 15,000 species and it is a non-woody plant. It absorbs water and nutrients through their leaves and it harvests carbon dioxide and sunlight to create food by photosynthesis. Okay, so Moses have three distinct groups, which are granite moss, peat moss, and true moss. Okay, so mostly they live in damp and shaded locations, but some of them survive in the deserts and other inhabit bogs and streams. Okay, next.
So I will explain about the habitat of mosses. The habitat of mosses is like a home for the mosses to live. So if you ask me what is the best environment for mosses to grow, the first thing is it must be dark, moist, and cool. So the example of places that we can find the mosses is like moist woods, bogs, and streams. However, mosses also has adapted to survive a period of dry weather. If you can, uh, during dry weather, the moss will appear like in black color. But when we put some water on it will turn to green back. Uh, Mosses can find in fresh water, but it cannot be found in salt water. So next, I will pass to Lukman.
Thank you. So now we are going to talk about the structure of mosses. Generally, the mosses are divided into two parts, the upper parts and the lower parts. The upper parts, which are the sporophyte, is consisted of capsule and stalk, while the lower parts have leaves and stem. And one unique thing about mosses is that it lacks true roots, but it has rhizomes. Rhizomes are a grasping and root-like structure which holds them together on any moist woods or on soil or any stone, any surface at all. Next, we are gonna go in depth of the structure of mosses. The first part, which is the lower part of the mosses, as you can see in the picture on your right, is the one that have the leaves. The gametophyte has stem and soft clusters of leaves, and it actually germinates from a haploid spore and forms a protonema. The spore, which will be spread through the life cycle of the mosses, will then grow and form a protonema, a lateral single-cell filaments that hugs the ground. It means that the spore will first spread and to make a horizontal line from those filament and then develops the stems, and the cluster of leaves. Then we have the upper part of the mosses, the sporophyte. Sporophyte has a stalk, which we can call as seta, a spore capsule, the sporangium, and a membranous hood that protects the capsule, which is called the calyptra. One sporangium may produce up to 1 million spores to spread and develop into other sponsors. As we can see in the picture, how much that the gametophyte and sporophyte is there, although it is actually just a small part of the moss. So the calyptra, or the membranous hood, shrivels and falls off when the spores are matured. It means that it is ready to spread the spores to a wider range. So it has a peristome, a concentrate tissue around the mouth of the capsule, which is made of triangle units like tubes. It functions with how is that the peristome will push the spores out such as like the springs, so that it will have a better spread and range that will be able to grow in a wider the range than where it is placed. Next, I'm gonna pass to my partner.
Okay, so I'm going to be talking about the characteristics of mosses. Firstly, mosses have multicellular rhizole, a root-like structure which absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. Next, as we all know, moist habitat is at a dark and a cool place, so they inhabit on moist brick walls and on shaded trees. Thirdly, mosses require water as a medium for completing their life cycle. This can be seen during the fertilization on the next slide. Fourth, in mosses, spores from capsules are wind dispersal, so they are very, very light. Next, they have no vascular tissues, most of them, so there's no seeds, flowers, or fruits. Lastly, mosses gametophyte are more dominant than the sporophyte. That's all from me.
Okay, so next I will be presenting about moss life cycle. Okay, first, the mature gametophytes. In mosses, the leafy gametophyte shoots bear either antheridia, which is male, or archegonia, which is female, where gametes are produced by mitosis. Okay, second, fertilization. Flagellated sperm produced in antheridia swim in external water to archegonia, each bearing a single egg. And then third, the zygote. The zygote and developing sporophytes are retained within the archegonium. And then fourth, the sporophyte. The mature sporophyte has a food buried in female gametophyte tissue, a stalk, and an upper capsule, the sporangium, where meiosis occurs and spores are produced. And then next, the spores. When the lid, which is operculum, of a capsule falls off, the spores are mature. One of two rings of teeth project inward from the margin of the capsule. The teeth close the opening except when the weather is dry. And then next, spore dispersal. Spores are released when they are most likely to be dispersed by air currents. And then lastly, the immature gametophyte. A spore germinates into a male or female protonema, the first stage of the male and the female gametophytes. Okay, next I will pass to Adiba.
Okay, this is the last part of our presentation today. This is all the samples that we gather. Okay, as you can see, mosses are the most abundant plants, and it is easily distributed throughout the world, except in saltwater, and also commonly found in moist, shady location. So the first samples we found the most on woods. The second one found in soil. The third one found on soil as well, but different different samples. The fourth one in the drain, and the fifth one is on the rock. So that's all for today's presentation. Thank you.